From the very first circular building of its kind in the Middle East to the award-winning pieces of architecture around the world, pushing the boundaries of engineering, these skyscrapers are true masterpieces of the modern world. Today we are going to show you some of the most unique skyscrapers of all time, so sit back and watch till the end. Number 7. Evolution Tower, Moscow, Russia. At 246 meters high, the spiraling DNA-shaped Evolution Tower is one of the most remarkable pieces of architecture of Moscow City, inspired by the images of St. Basil's Cathedral and Tytlin's Tower. The skyscraper's spiral shape is an embodiment of the idea of progress and evolution. The spiraling design of Evolution Tower was created by British architect Tony Kettle. The sculptural DNA-shaped twisting tower symbolizes the evolution spiral, with the white facade ribbon wrapping over the roof in a form of 90-degree twisted infinity symbol, which speaks a philosophical concept of evolution and celebrates the development of human civilization. Each of the 54 floors is twisted by 3 degrees on a regular basis, whilst being arranged around the central core of the building, what allows the skyscraper to elegantly rotate clockwise from its basement to the top by more than 150 degrees. The spiral-shaped skyscraper, with its 80,000-meter square area, has become the most prestigious building in the Moscow International Business Center project. Besides offices, its twisted floors have accommodated 36,000 meters square of the shopping and entertainment center and a covered parking garage. Number 6. The Jockey Club Innovation Tower, Hong Kong. Selected from 30 projects from around the world, the Jockey Club Innovation Tower, designed by Zaha Hadid Architects, wins a RIBA Award for International Excellence. Audaciously sculptured, the imposing structure conjures an image of a colossal space-age aquatic vessel when viewed from one angle, while resembling a paper-thin architectural model when viewed from another. The serrated fins creates a certain kind of dynamism, bringing new energy to a formerly deserted part of the university. The tower is home to the Hong Kong Polytechnic University School of Design and the Jockey Club Design Institute for Social Innovation. The 15-story, 15,000 square meter tower accommodates more than 1,800 students and staff, with facilities for design education and innovation that include design studios, labs and workshops, exhibition areas, multifunctional classrooms, lecture theater, and communal lounge. Before we continue, if you think we can improve anything, please let us know in the comments down below. Number 5. FNF Tower, Panama City. Considered one of the best skyscrapers completed in 2011, the FNF Tower is one of the most distinctive structures in Panama City, and it's not just due to its size. The nearly 800-foot office building, previously known as the Revolution Tower, is painted in various shades of green and is what's known as a twist scraper, a skyscraper with an unusual spiral shape, initially based on a theoretical idea of rotating geometry and a prism. One of the major problems for the designers to ensure the iconic status and success for the tower has been the budget of only $50 million. There were also underground wells that have been troubling the designers. Nevertheless, it got its iconic appearance. It has a concrete structure where the upper 39 floors rotate around a central axis, representing something like Hellas, and as it allows each floor to rotate 9 degrees from the floor below it, creates 4 small balconies per each office floor, whereas the first 13 floors are actually parking garages. The architects are Pinzon Lozano and Asociados, who had an excellent idea how to make something to function in reality. Number 4. Gokuen Cocoon Tower, Tokyo. Apart from the eye-catching and distinctive look of this 204-meter-tall building, that makes it even more impressive is that it is an educational institute. We're used to thinking of skyscrapers as either residential or office buildings, but Tokyo's Gokuen Cocoon Tower is special in that it's actually an educational facility. Though it isn't among the top 10 tallest towers in the Japanese capital, it is certainly one of the more eye-catching. The elliptical shape of the structure allows for more varied spaces. Both its foundation and its top is narrow. At street level, the space was seized with gardening. Top allows unobstructed views of the sky. The home of 3 educational institutions, it is, on the other hand, one of the tallest buildings of its kind in the world. With the design of Gokuen Cocoon Tower, Tengi Associations offers a new perspective to the School of Architecture at Tokyo to face the dense urban grid that makes up the city environment. Number 3. Alder Headquarters. a building that changed and expanded the Abu Dhabi skyline forever. The Alder Headquarters building, located at Al Raha Beach in Abu Dhabi, is one of the most recognizable structures on Earth. It is the first circular building of its kind in the Middle East. The iconic commercial building, standing at a height of 121 meters, headquarters the property developer Aldar of Abu Dhabi. Alder Headquarters has a distinctive design and innovation, hemispherical building facades. Comprising two circular-shaped convex joined by a narrow strip of corrugated glass, the iconic structure is completely circular, fully glazed elevation and curve in all other respects. The shape of this building is achieved through the use of structural diagrid, a diagonal grid of steel. The building Alder Headquarters received several awards and recognitions, including the Best Futuristic Design Award by the Building Exchange, BEX. As key architectural environment, lighting is used to highlight the other design elements. Being able to see through the glass facades of the building determined the choice of lighting, in order to leave the interior clean and well ventilated, while providing full flexibility. Recessed were chosen. Before we continue, if you enjoy content like this, then you will be making a pretty costly mistake of your own by not hitting that like and subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell too, so you never miss an update. Number 2. Abode 318, Melbourne, Australia. Designed by award-winning architects Ellenberg Fraser, Abode 318 fuses contemporary design with luxurious warmth and unique style. It's democracy in action. Look closely at the wave-like 55-story form, and you will realize that each of the horizontal and vertical waves consist of individual rooms articulated as protrusions, creating the effect of a set of drawers pulled out at random. These drawers gives residents the chance to give their home an individual identity, as well as coveted views up and down Russell Street, challenging conceptions of homogeneity and limitations of apartment living. Each apartment has a presentation to the street, creating a collection of variably expressed individuals. Each architecturally crafted apartment has been designed to achieve the best possible views regardless of positioning, with floor-to-ceiling glazing that also optimizes natural light. Instead of being one of many, each of the 450 apartments is an individual home. Number 1. Alhamra Tower, Kuwait City. Standing as the tallest building in Kuwait, the Alhamra Tower is a stunning sight, and not just due to its scale. Named one of the best inventions of 2011 by Time magazine, the structure features an asymmetric design, which maximizes views of the Arabian Gulf, while also minimizing solar heat. The purity of its form, expressed by a simple operation of removal, makes the tower a timeless, elegant marker in the heart of Kuwait City. A quarter of each floor plate is chiseled out of the south side, shifting from west to east over the height of the building. The result reveals a rich monolithic stone at the south wall, framed by the graceful twisting ribbon walls that gesture toward the sky. Alhamra Tower is a multi-medium building that gives the illusion of movement, as if in mid-transition of being cocooned into a sheet of glass. The structure stands an impressive 1,358 feet tall. Well guys, this is it for all the skyscrapers we can take for this video. If you enjoyed it, then be sure to smack that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notifications. Let us know in the comments section which of the skyscrapers made you cringe the most. And don't forget to watch the part 1 for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.